In this video, we are going to discuss about different objects in JavaScript like math object, string object, date object, window object, and document object, navigator object, and of course events. Okay, let's look at math object. So let me write a simple program on math object. Math to make use of this math object, probably let me write a simple program on the same. So just I want to print where something like a equal to math dot, let's say absolute value of minus 9.0 or 9.2, let's say, and I want to print what value will be printed when I print a. So the absolute value is, let's say, 8. And the next one is seal. Like that, you can write the functions which are there in the math class. So let's say cost 0 and let's say floor value, floor of 9.8. Let me show you the results of this program. .html. The absolute value of minus 9.2 is 9.2. Absolute value is 10. Sorry, we forgot to change this text. So the seal value and cost 0 and floor value, and just to refresh, the absolute value is 9.2. Though it is a negative number, it gives positive value only. The seal value is 10, cost 0 is 1, floor value of 9.8 is 9. It just truncate the decimal digit. That's what happened with the floor value. Like this, you can make use of the rest of the functions like power function, math function, main function, max function, min function, square root function, sine function, tan function. And the next object is string object. You want to use string object. Let me write a simple program in how to make use of this string object. Let's look at the string object. Let's say 6.html. Now SSC Institute of Technology and Engineering. So let's see what functions are there in the string object. Caret. So document dot write of, let's say, a dot char at of, let's say, 3. So the value at a particular location, the value at let's say 3, value at 3 is caret of 3. Let me check the output. So the value at position number 3, index position 3 is I. You want to know what is the code of that. ASCII value at that particular, sorry, ASCII value at that, sorry, character at that particular position, the ASCII value at position 3 is 105. So like that you can make use of the rest of the functions. You can get a part of the string with the help of slice, substring and substr, and of course you can change that particular text from lowercase to uppercase if at all you want. Let's say I want to print this entire string in a uppercase. Okay, then a dot uppercase document dot write of a dot, the function name is to uppercase, that's all. So the SES Institute of Technology and Engineering will be printed in a uppercase characters. This is how it works. Coming to the date object, this date object handles the date and time, system date and time. So to create the object of the date class, we are going to write new data of, okay, and the functions which are the functions available in date class, date object are get date, get UTC date, get day, get UTC day. Like that we have so many functions available there in order to get the values or the information related to date and time. Okay, let me write a simple program on how to make use of those functions in order to handle, in order to wish the user, okay, whoever visit this particular web page, either it says good morning or good day. Okay, if you visit this website before 12 o'clock in the morning, probably you will get the message called good morning, or else you will get good day. Let's check it out how this program works. Yeah, it says good day because now right now the time is let's say night. So as per 24 hours clock, the time right now is 23 hours 38 seconds, sorry, 38 minutes.